The diameter of a circle in the figure below is 12 cm. Find the area of the square. Diameter means what? Diameter means the entire thing, right? Over here, from here to here, it will be 12 cm. This is a deceptively tricky question, okay? But if you know the method, it's going to be super simple for you. Okay, see let me draw another similar model over here. So I'm just going to draw it a circle. Wow, my circle is fine. Okay, so let's draw the square inside. And then they told us that this entire thing is 12, right? And I'm going to set this to be the center of the circle. Do you realize, okay, why do I even want to draw this? Okay, let me just shade the square. This is the square inside. Why do I want to draw this? Is because I want to show you that a lot of students have trouble with this question because they say, oh no, I want to find the area of the square, but I do not know this length and I do not know this length. If I do not know this length and this length, how am I going to find this length? And without this length, how do I find the area of this square? There's no need. Okay, see if this is the diameter, this is the radius, right? So I'm going to put a big R over here. This is the radius. Okay, if this is the radius, if I just shift this line from here to here, like this, isn't it the same? It's still the radius, right? Correct? So once you get this radius, okay, let's calculate this radius first. R is diameter divided by 2. And we have the diameter, right? Diameter is 12. So we take 12 divided by 2, giving us 6 cm. So this is actually 6. Which means that from here to here, okay, and this is a right angle, it'll be 6 cm. And this one is 6 cm. Right? Do you roughly know how to do this question right now? If I were to redraw this model again into a square, okay. Oops. Okay, if this is 6, this is 6. Can I find one triangle? Can, right? I can, because your teacher taught you before. To find a triangle, if here is 90 degrees, you take half times base times the perpendicular height, which is 6. So what is half times 6 times 6? If you throw inside a calculator, this is going to be 18 cm squared. For a square, how many of such triangles can be fitted inside? It will be 4. Okay, so it's 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, and 4 triangle. So total will be 4 triangles in one square. We already found the answer for 1 triangle, so we just take 18 multiplied by 4. That will give us 72 cm squared. This is the answer. So for parents who are watching this, please tell your child, right, that as long as the line is touching the middle point and it's also touching the side of the circle, no matter how you rotate, the radius will still be the same. See, it's still definitely going to be the same. As long as it touch the circle, the center of the circle, and it touch the outside. It must touch the outside. It must touch these 2 points. Then it will be the same. And since it's the same, you can cut it up into 4 triangles and find the area of each triangle and remind your child about the area of the triangle, which is always half times base times the perpendicular height. And in between there must be a right angle, 90 degrees. Okay, if not, this one will not work. Once you find it, multiply by 4, you will get it. A lot of students, they cannot get this question because they cannot visualize. Which is why from all the other topics that I taught you, right, I kept on getting you all to draw the model, draw it out, visualize it, because what you draw by yourself, you can visualize a lot easier compared to just looking at the diagram itself. Okay, done.